Hi there, I am Aman and you're watching PTO classes. So, this is the first video for grade 9th. This is the subject orientation video, and in this video I am going to explain you how and what you are going to study and how you are going to do your fair work. So, in this video I will tell you how you will go ahead with the studies as we are all at our homes and the school is not open. The government has not allowed anything to function like we used to have prior to the COVID-19 or prior to the lockdown. So we will go ahead with our studies through YouTube lessons, and in this video I will discuss that how and what you will study. So coming to your subject English, in English we generally have 3 sections according to the exam point of view, and in this video I will tell you how you will study those 3 sections according to the plan that we have for the YouTube lessons. So I will start with the literature portion. Firstly, you have the literature portion, in which you have basically 2 books. The 2 books that you have are Moments, which is the supplementary reader. Moments is the supplementary reader for you, and you will have a few questions in your exam. In the literature portion you will have the questions from both the notebooks, from both the books, textbooks. This is the supplementary reader for your grade 9th English, plus you have the textbook, the main textbook, that is Beehive, in which all the chapters are there, plus poetry portion is also there. So in Moments only prose is there, but in Beehive you have both poetry and prose together. So you will make one register like this. You will make one register and you will do the partition. See, you will divide the register in 2 parts, half part for the literature portion and half part for the grammar portion. In literature portion you will do the work for both Moments and Beehive. First we will go with Beehive. We will do 1 chapter from Beehive and 1 poetry from Beehive. Then we will do the Moments chapter, and you will do the chapters alternatively. First you will do the Beehive, then you will do the Moments in the literature section. Literature portion you will divide the register in 2 parts, and in first part you will do the Beehive and Moments work. So in literature you will make one register, and second is the grammar section. Second is writing or grammar portion. So for that also you will have the same register. You will have the same register. You will do the partition of that register, and in the same register you will do both literature and grammar work. And now the last section of your English is the reading portion. In reading portion you will have comprehensive questions. The unseen passages will come in reading portion. For that you don't require any notebook. So no notebook is needed for reading portion. This section is generally based on your reading skill, how you read the chapter, how you read the paragraph, and how you comprehend the paragraph. So your reading skill will be tested through the reading section. So you only need to make one register that will be enough for both writing and literature work. In that register you will do the partition, and you will do you will use half the register for grammar and half the register for literature. So we will begin our classes with the Beehive first chapter, that is the fun they had. So I will provide you the lecture of this chapter, and plus I will send you some PDF, one PDF file in which you will have NCERT solutions. So you will go ahead with the PDF file. You will have the PDF file in your WhatsApp group, and from that PDF you will start your work. How you will start your work? You will do all the word meanings first, like this. You will do the word meanings that will be there in the PDF. You will do all the word meanings. Then you will do the question answers that will be there in the PDF. So you will do all the work from the PDF in the pattern that I have showed in the register. Take a look. You will make like this. You will write the chapter name, you will do the word meanings, you will do the question answers, and so on. Then we will do the poem. After completing the poem, I will send you the PDF file in which you will have the summary, the RTC, all that will be covered in that PDF. You will do the work, then you will start with movements. So this way we will go ahead, and after this Beehive portion, the fun they had and the road not taken, the poem and the first chapter, we will start our grammar work. So you need to make one register. After watching the video, after understanding the chapter, you can start your fair work in your fair register. I will send the PDF. You will go ahead with the PDF. You will check the PDF. From that you will make your notes. You will make the fair work, and this will be your class work. So this is the way we are going to work for till the time the lockdown gets over and your school reopens. So till that time we will study from YouTube only, and I will provide the classwork through WhatsApp group in a form of PDF, in which I will cover all the question answers and all the exercises that need to be done. Similarly we will do with grammar also. I will send you the work that you have to note down in your fair notebooks through PDF, and I will explain the topics through YouTube channel. So you must subscribe to this channel, and you must see that you must subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications and you can go ahead with your classes. All the teachers are providing you lectures through YouTube. So this is a new way of learning, and we are all amateurs in this. We are learning in a way. We teachers are also learning. So we will appreciate if you support us in this new venture, and if you have any queries related to the chapter, you can post your comments in the comment section, and you can contact us through WhatsApp or phone call. So we will be very happy to clear your doubts. So please stay connected and stay safe, stay at your home, and take the benefit of these classes, and we will soon have the regular classes in school. I hope so that this pandemic soon gets over and the issue gets sorted out, and we all meet together, we all meet again. And I know you must be eager to meet your friends. We are also eager to have the regular classes back, and hope you will be back soon. Till the time, watch the YouTube classes, stay connected to PTO classes. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.